Hey kitchen lovers, welcome to the ultimate guide for anyone who loves to cook, eat, or just make life in the kitchen a little bit easier. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a busy parent, or someone who's just starting to experiment with home-cooked meals, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Amazon's best cookers for 2025. Gadgets that are about to transform the way you prepare food at home. What if I told you there are Amazon cookers that can cut your cooking time in half and make restaurant-quality meals at home? Imagine coming home after a long day, tossing your ingredients into a smart cooker and letting technology do the rest. No more slaving over a hot stove or worrying about overcooked meals. These cookers are designed to save you time, energy, and even money by making meal prep effortless and efficient. Intrigued? Stay tuned. Number 11 is a total game changer. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. We've scoured Amazon to find the most innovative, top-rated, and user-friendly cookers that are making waves in kitchens everywhere. From sleek designs to smart features, these gadgets are more than just appliances. They're your new kitchen assistants. From busy parents juggling work and family, to passionate foodies who love experimenting with new recipes, we all crave kitchen gadgets that are quick, easy, and smart. These cookers are perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Imagine hosting a dinner party and having more time to spend with your guests, or prepping healthy meals for your kids in minutes instead of hours. These aren't your grandma's slow cookers. Think pressure cookers that whip up stews in record time, rice cookers that deliver perfect grains every time, egg cookers that make breakfast a breeze, and even high-tech baby food makers that practically cook for you. We'll show you how these gadgets can fit seamlessly into your daily routine, making cooking not just easier, but actually fun. So grab your apron, get comfy, and let's explore the best Amazon cookers you absolutely need in 2025. First up, let's talk about the classic Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, a true game changer for home cooks everywhere. If you've ever wished for a single appliance that could handle almost every cooking task, this is the one you've been waiting for. The Duo 7-in-1 is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a revolution in how we prepare meals at home. This versatile device combines 7 different appliances into one compact, easy-to-use machine. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. Basically, it does it all. Imagine being able to whip up fluffy rice, tender stews, homemade yogurt, and perfectly steamed veggies, all with just the push of a button. No more juggling multiple pots and pans or cluttering your kitchen with single-use gadgets. With a stellar 4.7-star rating and over 100,000 glowing reviews on Amazon, the Instant Pot Duo has earned its reputation as a kitchen legend. People everywhere rave about its reliability, convenience, and the way it transforms meal prep from a chore into something genuinely enjoyable. It's not just popular, it's trusted by home cooks and professionals alike. Declutter your kitchen and reclaim your counter space. The Duo 7-in-1 replaces so many bulky appliances, making your kitchen look cleaner and more organized. No need for a separate rice cooker, slow cooker, or steamer. This one device does it all, and it's shockingly easy to use, even if you're not a tech whiz. Meal prep has never been simpler. Just toss in your ingredients, select one of the many preset cooking programs, and let the Instant Pot handle the rest. Whether you're making a quick weeknight dinner or slow cooking a hearty stew, your meals are ready up to 70% faster than with traditional cooking methods. That means less time waiting and more time enjoying delicious, home-cooked food. With the Instant Pot Duo, you get more time for yourself and your loved ones and less time standing over a hot stove. It's perfect for busy families, working professionals, or anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Let the Duo 7-in-1 do the hard work so you can relax, unwind, and savor every meal. Small kitchen? No problem. Meet the Mini Instant Pot Duo. All the power and versatility of the original, but in a compact 3-quart size. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or couples. It cooks for 2 to 3 people, handles rice, stews, yogurt, and looks sleek on your counter. If you want a space-saving Instant Pot, this is your go-to. Are you someone with a big family, or maybe you love to meal prep for the week ahead? If you find yourself constantly cooking for a crowd or simply want to make your life easier by preparing meals in advance, then you know how important it is to have the right kitchen tools. The Crock-Pot 8-quart programmable slow cooker is designed to be your ultimate kitchen companion. With its massive 8-quart capacity, you can easily prepare enough food to feed a large family, host a dinner party, or stock up on delicious homemade meals for the entire week. Imagine prepping a week's worth of hearty stews, soups, or chili in one go, or effortlessly serving a crowd at your next family gathering or potluck. This slow cooker makes it all possible, saving you time and effort. The best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just add your favorite ingredients, set the programmable timer to your desired cooking time, and let the crock pot do the rest. No need to hover over the stove or worry about overcooking. Whether you're coming home after a long day at work or running errands, you'll be greeted by the aroma of a perfectly cooked hot meal waiting for you. Thanks to the convenient keep warm setting, your food stays at the ideal temperature for hours, so it's always ready to serve whenever you are. No rushing or reheating required. It's almost like having your own personal chef on standby, taking care of dinner while you focus on what matters most, spending time with family, relaxing, or getting things done. The Crock-Pot 8-quart programmable slow cooker truly brings convenience, versatility, and peace of mind to your kitchen. New parents, listen up. The NutriBullet Baby Food Steamer lets you make healthy, homemade baby food in minutes. Steam fruits, veggies, even meats, preserving nutrients and flavor. Just chop, add water, and press start. It steams and blends for you. You control exactly what goes into your baby's food. No more mystery ingredients. Save money and give your baby the best nutrition. Tired of babysitting eggs on the stove? The Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker makes perfect eggs every time. Hard-boiled, poached, or omelets, just set it and go. It cooks up to 7 eggs at once. Cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe it down and you're done. Breakfast prep has never been easier. Serious about cooking? The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is your dream machine. Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, sous vide, bake cakes, and more, all in one. Advanced features like a progress indicator and keep warm function make it a joy to use. If you want the ultimate kitchen companion, this is it. The Zojirushi NS TSC-10 rice cooker is in a league of its own. Fuzzy logic tech ensures perfect fluffy rice every time, plus it steams veggies, makes porridge, and even bakes cakes. It's easy to use and built to last, making it a smart investment. Zojirushi is known for durability and top-notch results. Want simple and reliable? The Aroma 6-cup cooker is your answer. It's affordable, makes perfect rice, and is ideal for small families or meal prep. Just add rice and water, press a button, and walk away. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe pot makes cleanup effortless. No frills, just great rice every time. Perfect for anyone who wants easy, no-fuss cooking. Sometimes simple is best. The Crock-Pot 7-quart manual cooker is a classic. It's reliable, easy to use, and makes delicious, tender meals. Just add your ingredients, set it on low, and let it work its magic. The generous capacity is great for families or meal prepping. No fancy features, just good old-fashioned slow cooking. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker does more than rice. Think quinoa, oatmeal, soups, and steamed veggies. Pre-programmed settings and a delay timer make meal prep effortless. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is a must-have for any kitchen. 3 lines. Meet the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, your new breakfast hero. Cook up to 6 eggs, any style, in minutes. Just add water and press a button. Compact, easy to clean, and perfect for busy mornings or small spaces. 3 lines. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is a consistent Amazon bestseller for a reason. It replaces 7 appliances and makes cooking effortless with intuitive controls. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the time to join the Instant Pot revolution. 3 lines. Cooking for 1 or 2? The Aroma 1.5-quart rice and grain cooker is your new best friend. It's compact but handles rice, quinoa, oatmeal, and more. Steams veggies perfectly and keeps food warm until you're ready. Just add ingredients, press a button, and enjoy. Say goodbye to takeout. Hello, easy home-cooked meals. Need a little something extra? The Crock-Pot 2-quart classic cooker is perfect for sides, dips, sauces, and desserts. Its compact size is ideal for small households or smaller portions. Easy to store and adds charm to any kitchen. Get creative. This mini marvel makes every meal special. The Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker is a must for busy families. Feed a crowd or meal prep with ease. Just set your time and temperature. The keep warm function ensures your food is always ready. Let it handle dinner while you enjoy your evening. Love this list? Smash that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deal. Ditch takeout, grab your favorite cooker, and unleash your inner chef. 2 lines.